Hello Dnation and welcome to the Diecast Motorcycle Week series. In today's episode, we are going to be taking a look at my top 6 favorite 118 scale Yamaha motorcycle replicas and showcase them in this Diecast Bike Week episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, I really love the Bike Week that takes place annually all over the world, where biker communities gather together as one to showcase their beautiful rides and also to enjoy and appreciate these beautiful pieces of art on two wheels. So as a Diecast motorcycle collector, I came up with the concept to kickstart a Bike Week series for my 118 scale Diecast motorcycles, where I will dedicate an episode to one motorcycle brand and feature my top 6 favorite motorcycle replicas from my collection. So today's Bike Week episode is dedicated to Yamaha motorcycles and all you Yamaha enthusiasts out there. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's Yamaha motorcycle lineup and get this Diecast Bike Week episode started. And a quick disclaimer before we kickstart, I am not sponsored by any of the brands featured in today's video, and I'm doing this solely out of passion for my hobby and my love for motorcycles. And on the same note, none of today's featured motorcycles are ranked in any particular order based on looks or performance and are my personal favorites from my collection for today's featured brand. But if you choose to, feel free to rank them and let me know what you think in the comments below, and also do let me know which one of these amazing motorcycle replicas are your favorite. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's Yamaha motorcycle lineup and get this Diecast Bike Week episode started. So let's begin today's Yamaha Diecast motorcycle lineup with the Yamaha YZF R7, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Yamaha YZF R7 is a race homologation motorcycle made by Yamaha in limited production run of only 500 units. It was designed to compete in the Superbike World Championship and the Suzuka 8 Hours Endurance races. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Yamaha diecast beauty. Next up is the Yamaha YZF R1, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Burago. The Yamaha YZF R1 or the R1 is an open-class sports bike or superbike motorcycle made by Yamaha from 1998 through present. Yamaha launched the YZF R1 after redesigning the Genesis engine to create a more compact engine by raising the gearbox input shaft and allowing the gearbox output shaft to be placed beneath it. This stacked gearbox was followed by other manufacturers. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing Yamaha YZF R1 replica. Now what we're looking at is the Yamaha YZF R6, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Yamaha YZF R6 is a Yamaha 600 class sports bike motorcycle first introduced in 1999 and updated in 2001, 2003, 2006, 2008 and 2017, and also revised in the years in between. The YZF R6 was introduced in 1999 as the super sports version of the YZF R1 superbike and as a companion to the more street-oriented YZF 600R sports bike, which has continued to be sold alongside the R6. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome Yamaha replica. Up next is the Yamaha YZF R1, which is a diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Yamaha YZF R1 or the R1 is an open-class sports bike or superbike motorcycle made by Yamaha from 1998 through the present. Yamaha launched the YZF R1 after redesigning the Genesis engine to create a more compact engine by raising the gearbox input shaft and allowing the gearbox output shaft to be placed beneath it. This stacked gearbox was followed by other manufacturers till date. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this Yamaha YZF R1 replica. Off-roading in next is the Yamaha YZ 450F, which is a die-cast replica manufactured by Nure. The Yamaha YZ 450F is a 4-stroke racing motocross bike built by Yamaha Motor Corporation. It was the successor to the previous YZ 426F, which was discontinued in 2003. It is credited by Cycle World and Dirt Rider magazines as the bike that started the 4-stroke dirt bike revolution. The 2006 YZ 250F and the YZ 450F were the first production motorcycles equipped with titanium suspension springs. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Yamaha YZ 450F motocross replica. And finally, we have the Yamaha YZF 1000 Thunderace, which is a die-cast replica manufactured by Maisto. The Yamaha YZF 1000 Thunderace is a motorcycle produced by Yamaha from 1996 until 2003. The Yamaha YZF 1000 was a stopgap bike from the FZR 1000 to the YZF R1 and produced from existing parts bins. The Thunderace 5-valve 4-cylinder engine was derived from the FZR 1000 and the frame was adapted from the YZF 750R. Now let's take a look at this amazing Yamaha YZF 1000 Thunderace die-cast replica. And with that out of the way, now let's place these die-cast beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features and specifications regarding these amazing Yamaha die-cast motorcycle replicas in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these amazing Yamaha Diecast Motorcycle replicas. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Yamaha Motor Company Limited is a Japanese manufacturer of motorcycles, marine products such as boats and outboard motors, and other motorized products. The motorcycle division of Yamaha was founded in 1955 and was headed by Genichi Kawakami. Yamaha's initial product was the 125cc single-cylinder motorcycle, the YA1, which was a copy of the German DKW RT125. The YA1 was a competitive success at racing from the beginning, winning not only the 125cc class in the Mount Fuji Ascent, but also sweeping the podium with first, second and third place in the All Japan Autobike Endurance Road Race that same year. Early success in racing set the tone for Yamaha as competition in many varieties of motorcycle racing, which has been a key endeavor of the company throughout its history, often fueled by a strong rivalry with Honda and other Japanese manufacturers. And for further information on Yamaha motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale Diecast Motorcycle episodes and the Diecast Bike Week episodes in the playlist below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale Yamaha Diecast Motorcycle replicas, I drop the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these amazing Yamaha Diecast Motorcycle replicas are your favorite. And this brings us to the end of this amazing Yamaha Diecast Motorcycle Week episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.